Apple has taken the wraps off of two new smartphones in its popular iPhone line. The new devices, known as the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, feature 4.7-inch and 5.5-inch displays, are powered by the company's in-house A8 chip and are the thinnest iPhones ever. With large-screen devices like the LG G3 or the recently announced Samsung Galaxy Note 4 out in the wild or soon to be, the iPhone 5's 4-inch display was starting to look very small indeed. Luckily, Apple has seen fit to level the playing field a little, with the new device's 4.7 1334x750 and 5.5-inch 1920x1080 displays hitting the current smartphone and phablet sweet spots. While they're far from the sharpest displays out there, they do offer higher contrast and wider viewing angles over previous generation devices. The new devices may have larger footprints than the iPhone 5's, but they're actually a little thinner, coming in at 6.9mm 0.27-inch for the iPhone 6 and 7.1mm 0.28-inch for the iPhone 6 Plus. The devices also pack 802.11 AC wireless, as well as the ability to make calls over Wi-Fi, providing you're a T-Mobile US or EUK customer. Both new smartphones run EOS 8, and are powered by the company's in-house A8 processor, which offers 25% faster processing power than the iPhone 5's, and up to 50% faster graphics. The company was keen to point out that the handsets are up to 50 times faster than the original, first-generation iPhone. Despite the larger screens and faster processors, the new devices supposedly offer longer battery life than the iPhone 5's. Apple estimates 11 hours of Wi-Fi browsing on the iPhone 6 and 12 hours on the iPhone 6 Plus. The device's cameras hold on to the iPhone 5's 8MP rear shooter, though the company has added phase detection autofocus technology, something usually found on DSLRs. The new technology leads to twice as fast autofocusing as on the last generation of iPhone. The camera can take 1080p 60fps video and slow-mo videos at 240fps. The new imaging chip also offers improved noise reduction and better color tones. The company also announced an NFC payment system known as Apple Pay. To use the service, users can take a picture of their credit card using the device's camera, which is then verified and added to Passbook. The app doesn't store the user's credit card number on the device, instead generating a one-time payment number for every transaction. Paying at a register is supposedly as simple as holding the iPhone in front of a retail NFC station, holding your finger on the Touch ID sensor and walking away with your purchase. Apple Pay is compatible with the iPhone 6 and 6 Plus, but owners of the iPhone 5 and later can get in on the payments action with a paired Apple Watch. The devices will be available in black, gold and gray, with on-contract prices starting at $199 for the 16GB iPhone 6, $299 for the 64GB model and $399 for the new 128GB configuration. The iPhone 6 Plus will retail for $299 for 16GB version, $399 for the 64GB model and $499 for the 128GB variant. Both devices will hit the US on September 19.